The project management methodology. Before we understand what is a project management methodology, we need to have a good definition or understanding of what is a methodology. Let's look at some basic definitions. A methodology is a collection of methods, procedures, and standards designed to deliver a product, service, or solution. Another definition says that it's an integrated assembly of tasks, techniques, tools, roles, and responsibilities, and milestones used for delivering a product or a service. So what is a project management methodology? Using the definitions of project and methodology, a project management methodology is a set of interrelated phases, activities, and tasks that define the project process from start to completion. So why we need a project management methodology and why it's important? Well, the objective of a project management methodology is to provide a common standard and to ensure that all projects are conducted in a disciplined, well-managed, and consistent manner, resulting in projects that are completed on time and within budget. It means that there is a process, a common practice that everyone in the organization can follow in order to manage a project. Let's look at some of the benefits of using a project management methodology. The first one is to establish and manage projects according to integrated and defined processes. The organization develops a manual and guidelines that everyone in the organization can read and learn and use in their projects. There is better control in the project constraints of the scope, schedule, budget, and quality because everybody knows how to manage those constraints. Nobody will get lost when they face challenges in managing the schedule or the budget. Another benefit is that the project team performs their tasks in a coordinated and timely manner. They don't need to try to understand things that are difficult because there is a guide, there is a practice that is common across all projects. It's critical to meet donor requirements. A methodology provides with a consistent process to deliver results that will meet the expectations of the donor and key stakeholders. Additional benefits include that there is a common approach and a consistent discipline for how projects are planned and implemented in the organization. A standard project terminology is understood by all the stakeholders. Everybody who's involved in the project knows or has good understanding of the processes for planning, implementing, monitoring, and adapting the project. It also provides project donors or stakeholders the confidence that projects are managed according to standards and that the results will be delivered as expected. More benefits. There are clear procedures for developing all the project plans that allow better control of the project throughout its life cycle. It helps the project manager integrate, coordinate, and track the project activities by using best practices, procedures, and techniques. It also helps reduce the impact that risks have on the project by using a standard risk management process that everyone understands. When we look at the methodology, we also need to understand a basic concept. The best methodologies are the ones that are built based on the experience of its practitioners. What it means is that a methodology needs to be constantly updated. There needs to be a process of continuous improvement. You cannot just set up a guideline and a manual and expect that it will work forever. The standard is flexible and needs to be updated on a regular basis to reflect the experience that the project teams earn during the life of the project. The methodology must be flexible and adaptable to change so that people can incorporate those lessons in the methodology. It also needs to be simple and easy to use. It is not a complex document that describes every single step. It also needs to be replicable, meaning that you can use it in different projects. It is not specific to a project or a specific sector within the development area. It is something that is common to all types of projects. Its use fosters growth, meaning that people can learn from the methodology. They learn from that experience and incorporate those lessons back into the methodology. And that creates a participatory approach that gives people more ownership over the methodology because they helped create it.